Mitochondria are self-contained organelles. They possess their own mini-chromosome and DNA, residing within cells, and are charged with the job of generating the chemical energy needed to fuel functions essential to life and well-being. When stressed, damaged or dysfunctional, mitochondria expel their DNA, mtDNA, oxidized and cleaved, into the cytosol, the fluid within a cell in which organelles float, and beyond into the bloodstream, triggering inflammation. In autoimmune conditions like lupus and rheumatoid arthritis, the amounts of circulating oxidized mtDNA correlate with disease severity, flare-ups, and how well patients respond to therapies. An unanswered question that has plagued the field is whether oxidized mtDNA is simply a biomarker or indicator of disease or something more, a critical player in disease pathology. In a new study, published the July 13, 2022 issue of the journal Immunity, researchers at University of California San Diego School of Medicine, with colleagues elsewhere, describe the biochemical pathway that results in the generation of oxidized mtDNA, how it is expelled by mitochondria, and how it. In addition to charting a new pathway responsible for the generation of inflammation-provoking fragments of oxidized mtDNA, this work opens the door to the development of new anti-inflammatory agents, said senior study author Michael Caron, Ph.D., Distinguished Professor of Pharmacology and Patholo. That job is carried out by an enzyme called FEN1. Once chopped by FEN1, oxidized mtDNA fragments enter the cytosol where they can bind with two different sensors, NLRP3 and CGAS. The new findings, said Xian, highlight the critical role of FEN1 in fueling the auto-inflammatory fire. Importantly, Xian and colleagues have demonstrated that FEN1 inhibitors block NLRP3 and CGAS signaling and thereby prevent the onset of the inflammatory process. This work is important not only because it can explain the origin and pathogenesis of common rheumatic diseases, but it can also lead to the development of new biomarkers and treatments for lupus and arthritis, said Monica Guma, MD, PhD, an associate professor in the UC San Diego School of Medici. 2022, July 13. How mitochondrial damage ignites the auto-inflammatory fire. Science Daily. Retrieved July 13, 2022 from ift.tt/zfatanavid University of California, San Diego. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos.